The clone trait is for types that can make copies of themselves. For this to work, it needs to construct an independent copy using the self keyword, and then return it. A clone's definition is as what's followed. So we have our trait clone, which also implements the sized trait, and then we have a couple of methods associated with it. Cloning a value typically means allocating copies of anything it owns, which can make clones very time and memory expensive. Just imagine taking a vector of strings and cloning it. Every string inside the vector would also be cloned, so as you can expect, a clone can indeed be very expensive. The types like I32 and Boolean implement clone, but other things such as mutexes, which we will talk about in the concurrency section, do not.